Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a refreshing yogurt mint salad with some nice fresh vegetables. And this is a good salad to have with accompaniments on a hot summer day. Okay, so now for this salad, the main thing is the yogurt. So for this, you're going to need some salt. I'll put some salt, some lemon juice. This is sumac. Sumac is like a Arabic kind of spice, which is just a lot of lemon in it. 2 small cloves of garlic. 2 small cloves of garlic and some fresh mint. So always make your dressing before, so everything mixes and stays. Now I'm mixing this before and letting it sit for maybe half an hour or so. In the meantime, I'm going to cut all my vegetables. Okay, so now for this salad, this is the kind of salad vegetables we're going to use. 1 tomato, you can use a green pepper, half an onion, which will be cut. All of this will be cut in dices. Now I thought of taking an apple, and you should always use some fruit in your salad also, because a lot of people just don't put fruits in their salads. You can also incorporate fruits in your salad. That makes it a different change and very refreshing change. This is a cucumber. I'm going to just clean it up and then of course cut it in small dices. So all these vegetables we are going to cut in small dices and put it in the dressing which we make. Okay, so now we are dicing these apples also, the equal dices like this. And the reason you want to cut these dices, this is just like in the old times they used to make something called a Waldorf salad. And this 2 types of apples, one is kind of tarty, the other one is sweet. Will just give a nice flavor to this salad. Okay, so now we're gonna just blend everything of a salad together. I got this dressing which has been sitting down. We'll mix this up and then just mix this up real good. You want to coat the apples real well because you don't want the apples to go black. So you want to coat this apples really well. And you can see, oh my God, it looks nice because of the sumac. And that looks like peppery, but it's not. It's got that nice tangy taste to it. It almost looks like a mayonnaise salad. I'm telling you, definitely it's gonna taste. And what I'm gonna do is just chop this parsley, a bit of parsley, and just sprinkle it on top of it. And that's it. Just mix it, let it sit in the fridge for half an hour, and this is a good accompaniment. You can just eat it in a nice bowl or something like that, and you love this salad. Okay, so now let's see the taste test for this. Of course, I know how it tastes because I want the mint to go soak right into the dressing. And let's see. Oh my God, it's really good. The mint, the yogurt, and the lemon juice has really worked itself. And when you get a bite of the apple, it just gives it this nice sweet flavor to the whole tomato and the cucumber. Really good. You're all gonna like this. Do enjoy this salad, which was for today. And also like us on our Pinterest page, like us on Facebook, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef YouTube channel. And This is the Topper Chef signing off. Happy cooking!